Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Venus, and yeah, I'm a student at the university, so I'm not doing all that well. I have some sort of flu and cough and sore throat. So yeah, I'm going to be today showing you what you can do, something simple to help or fasten the speed of you getting cured from flu and cough. So here on my table I have in my vacuum cup I have tea, and then here I have water. So what you're going to do in the tea, you're going to add the lemon, and then we are going to add in the tea, we shall add ginger. So usually people do different various stuff to make the cure of flu, sore throat and cough to be speedy. Like you can have boiled water, you put in ginger, garlic and lemon. That is one alternative you can use, but since I'm going to be using tea and cold water, I'm going to put in just lemon, and then in the tea I'll put in ginger. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, I'm going to be cutting this. Yeah, by the way, very many people go through this and they really don't know what to do, but if you learn this, you can be able to do this wherever you are, be it at school, at home, or anything that you are doing apart from school, maybe even at work. Yeah, at work, this is simple. Perhaps if they give you tea at your workplace, then you can just get ginger and then you add in, and in your tea you add in lemon, and trust me, before you know it, you all be good to go. Yeah, you all be good to go. So yeah, I'm going to smash this ginger real quick, and then I'll get back to you. Pause. So I'm going to add in my ginger in the tea real quick, and then I have lemon over here. I'm going to squeeze it in my water, and that's what I'll be taking for today. You like lime water? Yeah, this is lime water. It's going to be like tasting good, sweet. I'll show you how to feature in my video. You can come and say hi to my YouTubers. Yeah, so guys, this is as simple as it is. So I'm going to shake this and we shall have a taste of it. Let me see how it goes. Look at the foam inside it. This is great. It's really lime. Good. So yeah, tea after I put ginger, so I'm just going to cover it real quick, and yeah, I'll be sipping it slowly until, so you keep on doing this on a daily basis so that you have quicker results and a quick effect. Thank you. So you guys, thank you very much for tuning in. You can like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you for following me. Yeah, this is my friend Letitia, my classmate. Yep, thank you.